Okay, what's your name?
Weston.
How do you spell Weston?
W-E-S-T-O-N.
Good job. And how old are you?
2.
And what is your brother's name? What?
Robin's a brother.
Who's your brother?
Anderson.
And how old is he?
4.
He's 4, is he? What are some of Weston's favorite songs?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Oh, good. Can you sing some for me?
No.
Oh.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. That's no way. I don't know the art of it.
Oh, that's the only part you know?
Yeah.
Oh. How are you feeling right now?
Not good.
Are you a little bit sick?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh. What's happening when you're sick?
Nothing, Mom.
Nothing?
I need to get my drink.
Oh, okay. I'll get your drink for you. You sit back.
No, I want to get my drink.
Okay. Now tell me, what are some of your favorite TV shows?
Dora.
Dora.
Let me get this mouthful.
Okay. You good now?
Yeah.
Okay. So Dora and what else?
Twinkle, twinkle. Look, this one is stuck together. Look, this one is stuck together.
I see. 2 pretzels stuck together. What other TV shows do you like?
Ribbon. Wonder Pet.
Wonder Pets. Oh, good. And who is your best friend?
Anderson.
Anderson. That's nice. And what sort of things do you like to play?
Cars.
Yeah?
And I used to play like marble.
Marbles?
I used to play like marbles, Daddy. No, I tried to play, but I used to play marbles, Daddy.
And what do you have on your toe right now?
Band-Aid.
Oh, how come?
And a Band-Aid here too.
Oh my goodness. Why do we put Band-Aids on?
Because we put 2 Band-Aids.
Oh, just because. What are your favorite things to eat?
I think macaroni and biscuit and noodles.
To drink?
Dow. Apple juice I have to drink.
Apple juice you love to drink. And you like to eat macaroni and noodles?
Yeah. I have to eat macaronis and noodles.
And what else?
Celery.
Celery? And anything else? Any other fruit or anything? What's your favorite?
Raspberries and blueberries.
Yeah, those are good too. Okay.
That's it.
Is there anything else you'd like to say?
No.
Okay, I love you. You're a good boy.